The infrared satellite loop is, for lack of a better meteorological phrases, a kind of a mess, isn't it? With some convection's actually increasing along I-75, and I think this is a sign of just some heavy rain, some colder cloud tops now really getting going just near Northport. A lot of rain along the coast, and this is really, I think, really going to verify is mainly a coastal event, which we've been harping on now for the past 2 days. I mean, you look at rainfall inland, it's kind of sporadic. You look at rainfall along the coast, what's going to happen here is all of this yellow is going to kind of spread north along I-75, and already in the past 12 hours, you have 4, I think close to 5 in Port Charlotte, and the rainfall accumulations right now starting to add up. In widespread, 3 to 7 inches are likely. This is now kind of training in the same spot. So you get rain coming up, it's right along 75, then kind of rotating around the center, which is, somewhere out here. It's even tough to find from radar presentation, but it's out here. It's not really very well defined, and this is going to be just a long, soaking rain event. Several more hours to go of moderate to heavy rain along our coastal counties, which is going to slowly start adding up in the rain bucket. It really is. And we'll start talking about, as Chris mentioned, some river flooding. Brandon, back to Plant City, up to Lutz, Odessa, and moving back to Newport Richey up the Suncoast, and then kind of curving back to western Pasco. This is all moderate to heavy rain with rainfall rates in excess of 2 inches. Banding rain, off and on heavy rain in St. Pete. Nothing really of note along the beaches. It's just the way this band set up. It's mainly east of the beaches. And then you expand on this, areas of light rain, then inland, there's some heavy rain in the western parts of our inland counties, but it's mainly not a big deal. But Mayaca City to Sarasota, this rain band is heading for Tampa Bay. It's really going to come down quite a bit the next couple of hours. We're calling it a hurricane, but I just cannot stress enough, don't pinpoint yourself on that word hurricane. I think this is essentially going to be what it is, a tropical storm event for our area. And the tropical storms can be dicey. Ada was dicey. This one will produce some rain and wind overnight. It's long gone by this time tomorrow night, but this time tomorrow night, it's probably moving into South Carolina. And the weather will be improving tomorrow afternoon. Still windy and gusty with showers tomorrow morning. Wind gust, 54 in Sarasota. I saw 60 in Longboat and 28 Punta Gorda. I don't think there'll be tropical storm force winds inland. There will be tropical storm force winds spreading north across Tampa Bay. In Tampa Bay, next couple of hours, wind gusts 50 to 55. There's the orange, which is winds 58 plus, and that cuts through Tampa Bay 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and then begins to move away and shrink in size. And the weather tomorrow morning slowly begins to improve, and good probability of tropical storm force winds, like 100%.